Well, hey folks, Smudge here. Let me tell you a little bit about Will Wallus, the Weekend Homestead. He used to do a show with this guy called Brad, the Big Family Homestead. On Thursday nights they did what was called a Tech Talk. And I'll just let Brad introduce him.
We have yet another awesome broadcast, guys. We are with Will from the Weekend Homestead, and he's an absolute techno rock star. I think he probably has circuits, as well as veins running through.
Very well articulated, explains things very well, has a lot of insight, and helps a lot of the quote-unquote bigger channels, all on the back-end technical side. So, listen to how he explains tags.
Whatever it is, tags, the shortest of it is, think of it as 1 word, 2 word, or short phrases that describe your video. And it's a way that the system, when it catalogs everything together, it uses those 1 word, 2 word things, puts them together, and that's how they find you. So the better the tags you have, the better descriptions you have, the more likely people who are looking for the stuff that you have will find you.
And if you've ever watched one of Wrangler Star's live streams, well, Will is in there as a moderator. So he knows a lot of the bigger channels. He knows a lot of the ins and outs about the YouTube videos. And we've got him tonight, and we're going to get him from time to time to help us all out and make all of our channels better. So we'll see you tonight, 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Take care. Bye-bye.